Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vornado heater fan not working, motor, dust and obstruction troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is check for dust buildup. Turn off the heater and unplug it, then let the heater cool down completely. Use a vacuum or soft brush to remove dust from the front and back vent. Wipe the outside with a dry cloth. Put the heater back in and test the fan. Second one is remove any fan obstruction. Unplug the heater, look through the front and rear vent. Remove any lint, pet hair or small object blocking the fan. Make sure the fan can move freely. Turn the heater back on and check if its fan works. Third one is reset the heater. Turn the heater off, then unplug it from the power outlet. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then plug it back into a different wall outlet. Turn the heater on and test the fan. Fourth one is check for overheat protection. Turn off and unplug the heater, then let it cool for at least 30 minutes. Make sure the air vents are clean and not blocked. Plug the heater back in, then turn it on to see if the fan starts working. Fifth one is check the fan motor. Unplug the heater, then listen for a humming sound when you turn it on. If the heater heats up but the fan never spins, the motor may be faulty. Stop using the heater if the motor is making grinding or burning noises. Contact Vornado support or replace the motor if needed. Thanks for watching.